Welcome back to Auto Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have the 2025 Toyota Tundra, a truck that continues to push boundaries in design, performance, and features. Buckle up as we take an in-depth look at its stunning exterior, luxurious interior, and everything that makes it stand out in the full-size truck market. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Toyota Tundra boasts an aggressive yet refined design, showcasing a bold front grille that dominates the road. Toyota has given the Tundra a fresh update with sleek LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the sculpted hood, enhancing both visibility and aesthetics. Moving to the side profile, the muscular fenders and aerodynamic lines give it a tough yet modern look. Toyota has introduced new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18 to 22 inches, adding both durability and style. The high ground clearance and reinforced skid plates make it an ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts. The rear of the Tundra features redesigned LED taillights with a futuristic light signature. The power tailgate now comes with hands-free operation, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. Whether you choose the TRD Pro or Platinum trim, the 2025 Tundra makes a strong statement on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends ruggedness with luxury. Toyota has upgraded the materials, offering soft touch surfaces, premium leather seats, and real wood or aluminum accents. The spacious interior ensures that both the driver and passengers experience maximum comfort, with heated and ventilated seats available in higher trims. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Toyota's latest multimedia interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system for an immersive audio experience. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information with customizable displays. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Tundra continues with its twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering up to 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque in the iForce Max hybrid variant. This powertrain not only ensures incredible towing capacity but also improves fuel efficiency compared to previous models. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, the Tundra is built for heavy-duty tasks. The multi-link rear suspension improves ride comfort, while available off-road packages equip it with crawl control and terrain select modes for unmatched capability. Since its debut in 1999, the Toyota Tundra has been a symbol of reliability and power. Over the years, it has evolved with cutting-edge technology and performance upgrades, making it a top competitor in the full-size truck segment. So, how much does this beast cost? The base SR trim starts at around $41,000, while the high-end capstone edition with all the luxury features goes up to $80,000. With various configurations and trims, there's a Tundra for every need and budget. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse, an off-road champion, or a luxurious daily driver, the 2025 Toyota Tundra delivers in every aspect. What are your thoughts on this new model? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.